late September trout fishing, fall 2025. Had a great day. Caught some beautiful natives early, some really pretty small fish, and then caught, for me, by my standards here in Connecticut, a very nice rainbow trout in the mid-morning. Please enjoy. I think there's going to be a big one. Oh, yes. Thank you, man. Abundance of little fish. Little guy. Could be a salmon. Sorry for that terrible release. Feels like a better fish. Beauty of a rainbow. Looks eerily similar to one I've caught in this exact same spot. Could be the same fish. It's got that forked tail, so I think it might be the same exact fish. Beautiful fish. Dark rainbow. Gorgeous colors. Maybe get up out of here. Got you in here, bro? Get you up out of here with the quickness. Look at that paint job. Come on now. Beautiful fish. Oh, this stretch has been just on fire. Kind of one after the other. No. Beautiful. I mean, really stunning. Good bite right now. That's a lively fish now. Look at those beautiful colors. Oh, medium wild brown, not a small guy, not a big guy. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, buddy. Stunners today. Some stunning fish. It's really chilly today. This water is cool. Not a little guy. Not a big guy. But what a stunner. Beautiful. Thank you so much. I got a glimpse of this fish. It looked like a good one. I'm inclined to fool myself frequently, but this might be a real one. I went on a long hike to get here, and I got no bites on the way. Well, no, I shouldn't say that. I got bites. I did not hook up once on the way. But this fish, if I can land it, I think is going to make it all worth it. This looks like a very good fish. I need to be patient and just hope that he stays on. Please cooperate there, buddy. Oh, wow. That looks like a nice one. Yeah. Wiley coming right at me for a second. That's a nice fish. That's a big rainbow trout by my standards. I mean, I don't live near the Great Lakes. Almost ready to give up, it looks like. I'm not gonna horse you. I'm not gonna force it. Don't be silly. think, brother? You ready? Nope, not quite. The colors on this rainbow trout are stunning. I hope I get a chance to really see you and do you justice, brother. Nope, not yet. Got him out of the current almost immediately. But he's just been fighting. He's a big fish. What a fish. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Enormity. Come on, big man. In the basket. Oh my god. Look at that. Stunner. It's like a 20 to 21 inch fish. I got a 21 inch brown a couple weeks ago. And here, look at this enormous rainbow. And he's in great shape. I want to get you out of here while you are, man. Thank you so much. Not as nice a fish. Still. Could be a brookie? Oh, I take it back. Just to make sure I get this. There is no artist like nature.